Microphone. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a pizza lover like me who dreams of making authentic, wood-fired style pizza in minutes, then you're going to love today's review. I'm testing out the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven, a compact beast that promises a 12-inch pizza in just 3 minutes. But does it really deliver? Let's dive in. This pizza oven is designed for outdoor use, and right out of the box, it feels premium. Ninja did not skimp on build quality. The materials feel sturdy, and the finish gives it a professional vibe. It's compact enough to fit on a patio table or outdoor kitchen station, but still large enough to cook a 12-inch pizza, which is impressive. It comes with everything you need: the oven, a pizza stone, a wood pellet tray, a propane gas connector, and even accessories like a pizza peel depending on the bundle you choose. Fire performance and heat up time. Movie camera. One of the biggest selling points here is the 3-minute cook time. And I'll be honest, I was skeptical. But once you fire this thing up, it heats to over 700 degrees Fahrenheit in under 20 minutes with propane, and even faster with wood or charcoal. The heat retention is outstanding thanks to the thick insulation and stone baking base. And yes, I got a perfectly cooked pizza with that crispy bottom and chewy crust in just 3 minutes. The key is the multi-fuel capability, which gives you flexibility. You can use propane gas, wood, charcoal, or even wood pellets. I tried all three, and I'll share my thoughts on which one gave the best result in just a bit. Pizza quality, wood-fired taste at home. Movie camera. The pizzas come out with that restaurant-style texture and flavor, crispy edges, bubbly cheese, and that iconic char on the crust. When I used wood, the flavor was absolutely phenomenal. You get that subtle smokiness that screams artisan. With gas, it's more convenient and faster, and the results were still excellent. Charcoal offered a great middle ground, giving both speed and flavor enhancement. What I loved: white heavy checkmark heats up fast and cooks faster. White heavy checkmark 12-inch capacity, perfect for sharing. White heavy checkmark multi-fuel options: gas, wood, charcoal, pellets. White heavy checkmark excellent build quality. White heavy checkmark easy cleanup with removable trays. White heavy checkmark portable and compact, great for patios, decks, and even camping trips. Warning: what could be improved? Hammer and wrench, the only minor drawbacks I found. Learning curve. If you're new to pizza ovens, getting the perfect cook might take a few tries. Accessories sold separately. Some bundles don't include a pizza peel or infrared thermometer, which I highly recommend getting. Outdoor only. This isn't for indoor use, obviously, but it's worth mentioning. Bar chart: who is this for? Direct hit: this oven is ideal for home chefs and pizza enthusiasts, outdoor entertainers, families, or anyone who loves hosting pizza nights. Anyone who wants restaurant-quality pizza without the $20,000 commercial oven setup. Overall, the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven absolutely lives up to the hype. It's fast, powerful, and gives you delicious, authentic pizza in minutes, all from the comfort of your backyard. Whether you're a pizza pro or a weekend warrior, this oven is a game changer. Speech balloon: let me know in the comments. What toppings are you putting on your first pizza with this oven? And if you've already tried it, how was your experience? Thumbs up if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with your fellow foodies, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.